Alright guys, I'm back for part 6 and this is the next draw here, and I've gone ahead and purchased, these are 2-ounce jars? No, I'm sorry, they're 4-ounce jars. No, 2-ounce jars because these are 4-ounce. Okay, so you see the difference? This is the 2-ounce, this is the 4-ounce. And this one is fairly big, like I can wrap my whole hand around it, you know? So, now you know the difference. So these are 2-ounce jars, and these are full of all the glitters from that company. And I also have some of my Mylar in this jar. Let's see if I can show you guys. Purple, red, white and green. I keep these here because they're easier to access for when I'm making mixes. So this is some purple glitter, gold glitter, blue teal, copper, penny copper, see? Dark red taupe, garnet, cinnamon. This one is stratosphere, ocean spray, blue gunmetal. I love this. Look at this, guys. Let me see if I can show you. Look at that color. Gorgeous. And then chartreuse, chunky. Blue teal 0.25. So here, let's see if I could show you the difference. This one is 1.5 and this one is 2.5, and you can see the difference in the cut. Let me see if I can focus on this one first. See how small that is and how chunky that one is. In fact, this one's square. So the 2.5 is chunkier than the 1.5. Dark red taupe, gorgeous color. Light copper, gorgeous color. Lavender, sky blue, lime green, which isn't really lime green, it's more like Kelly green. Ocean spray, bronze, these are smaller containers, but I'm going to show you anyway. Shimmering sand and cinnamon square. Dusty rose. It's such a pretty color. I love it. Stratosphere again in a different cut size. I know it seems like repetitive. Apricot, but I wanted to keep a sample of everything that I had. So navy, like you'll see the same colors but in different sizes. I don't have 2 bottles of any one size. White. That was my way of trying to be conservative. Green, light copper again in a better size. Fuchsia 040. Lavender again in a 1.5. This is just a solid black dot. I don't really have a name or cut from it, and that's because it didn't come from that company. Penny copper, cinnamon, bronze. This is the finest cut. It's 0.004, and it is the absolute finest. It's almost like a powder. Let me see if I can get it to focus really good on that. See how tiny those are? They are literally like powder. Powder. Love it. And then this one here is just a gold, and there's no name on it. So that's everything that I had in this drawer, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and get these put in there and put away so I can pull out the next drawer for you. And you'll get to see some more glitter. I know that I have a problem. It's just ridiculous. And I'm sorry if that's loud. But we're almost through the whole first cart, which is pretty cool. So this is the last draw of the first cart. And we're going to go through just what's in here. And these are all the really large Martha Stewart bottles, like the really tall ones. Antique silver. I have quite a few of the same ones over and over. See? Like, I think I'm actually going to be selling a couple of these because I do have so many of the same ones. Antique silver again. This one is peridot. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous green color. Can you see that? Very pretty. And then I have garnet. Garnet is my birthstone, so whenever I see anything that says garnet on it, I just want to snatch it up. This is actually pretty cool. It's Martha Stewart, and it's actually mylar, but it's called Snow. There's no iridescency to it. It's just white mylar. It looks really cute on a Christmas nail when you're making snow. It does look like snow when it's on a nail. So I got that one. Oh, some more bagged glitter. Go us. This is a pinky color. This is more like a very fluorescent orange. Very fluorescent-y. This one is more like a pumpkin orange. Here, I'll see if I can show you the difference. See? Against it, this one looks more red, but it's not actually. It's more like a pumpkin, and this one's more fluorescent. Some purple chunky glitter. Some matte green glitters. I love these. I got these from Sanctuary Beads, I think. I'm pretty sure. Look at those matte squares. How awesome are they? And matte purple squares. Love, love, love them. And then I got some more Florentine gold. Another garnet. Let's see what else is in here. Oh yes, more matte fluorescent orange. They're blinding dots. And then this is a mix I made. I just haven't given any away yet. I was going to give some of that away. I'll show you how it looks on a nail. Here, let me see if I can show you guys. Let me focus on it. See that? It's very chunky, but it's cute. There's little stars in it. All different types of things in here. If anybody wants some, let me know. I'll send it out to you. And this is a matte pumpkin, like Halloween mix that I made with some of those matte colors that I was just showing you. And some cotton candy, not cotton candy, candy corn mix that I bought from Pretty Things Rock. So, yeah, I think that's a cute little mix right there. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's there and I like it. So, that's some of my larger bottles of Martha Stewart glitter. And we are now finished with the whole first cart. So I will be back with whatever the next part is, because it has been so many parts that I can't remember. So I'll be back with the next part of my collection.